In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live concert sound in Suno AI. We'll walk through the exact flow to nudge Suno toward that big on-stage vibe using only the built-in Create page and a few smart lyric cues. Start by heading to suno.com in your browser. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. Choose the account you want to use and continue through the sign-in prompts. Once you're in, you'll land in the studio. From here, click Create to open the song creation page. You'll see a space to add lyrics. This is where the live concert magic starts because Suno responds to the context you feed it. Paste or type your lyrics into the box. Keep them structured so the model can understand your song's shape. Verses, a chorus, maybe a bridge. Short, singable lines work well, and repeating the chorus helps lock in the hook. Now, to steer the sound toward a live setting, work the phrase live performance into your chorus. You can do this naturally in a line or as a brief descriptor wrapped into the chorus text. The key is to place it in the chorus section so Suno associates the biggest, most anthemic part of your song with a live feel. When your lyrics look good, click Create to generate your first take. After you get that initial version, you'll refine the crowd energy. Go back to your lyrics on the same Create page and add the phrase singing crowd where it makes the most sense, often right before or within the chorus. You're telling Suno that an audience is engaged and vocal, which helps shape the ambiance and backing feel toward a stadium-style sing-along. Keep it concise. One or two mentions are enough to guide the model without overstuffing the text. When you're ready, click Create again to produce the updated version with the enhanced concert vibe. A couple of quick tips as you iterate. Keep the chorus clear and emotive so the model leans into big, open melodies. Avoid cluttering the lyrics with too many technical descriptors outside of live performance and singing crowd. And use consistent formatting, like labeling chorus sections the same way each time, so Suno reliably recognizes them. That's it. By signing in, opening Create, adding your lyrics, placing live performance in the chorus, generating, then layering in singing crowd and generating again, you'll guide Suno toward that immersive live concert sound. Save your favorite take, and you're ready to share it like a headliner.